Stop building upward. Start looking down. While everyone else is watching lumber prices climb and mortgage rates stay stubbornly high, a growing group of home builders in 2026 is quietly digging their way into one of the smartest housing strategies in decades. Earth-sheltered cabins, homes built partially or fully into the ground, are no longer just a quirky off-grid fantasy. They are becoming a serious financial and architectural decision. And today, we are excavating the real numbers to find out if going underground actually makes sense for your wallet and your future. From the true cost of hiring excavation crews to the passive design systems that can eliminate your energy bills entirely, this video is going to give you the honest, unfiltered breakdown you will not find anywhere else. We are talking 2026 costs, 2026 building codes, and 2026 performance data. So if you have ever been curious about earth-sheltered living, or if you are just trying to survive the current housing market, you are in the right place. Before we dig in, literally, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We publish honest, research-backed content on affordable housing and smart home design every single week, and this community is growing fast. Now let us get into it, because by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly what it costs to build an earth-sheltered cabin in 2026, what the passive design advantages actually look like in real numbers, and whether this build type is right for your situation. The groundbreaking shift to earth-sheltered living here is why 2026 is different from any previous year when it comes to earth-sheltered construction. The traditional stick-frame home, which has been the default housing choice in North America and much of Europe for over a century, is getting more expensive and more fragile at the same time. Lumber costs have been on a wild roller coaster since 2020, and while they have come down from their peak, they remain significantly elevated compared to pre-pandemic baselines. Labor shortages in the framing trades are driving up build times and contractor quotes across the board. And energy costs, whether you are heating with natural gas or cooling with electricity, are not going in a direction that favors conventional construction. Earth-sheltered cabins sit outside all of those pressures. They use minimal above-ground framing. They require less HVAC infrastructure because the surrounding earth acts as a natural thermal buffer. And they are engineered to last for generations without the exterior maintenance cycles that wood-framed homes demand. The 2026 tipping point is real, because the gap between the long-term savings of an earth-sheltered build and the ongoing costs of a conventional home has never been wider. Now here is where things get interesting from an aesthetic standpoint. When most people hear earth-sheltered cabin, they picture a hobbit hole in the side of a hill, something quaint and charming, but not exactly a serious architectural statement. That image is outdated. Modern earth-sheltered design in 2026 blends exposed concrete, glass curtain walls, green roofs, and passive solar orientation into homes that are genuinely stunning. Architects are producing earth-sheltered designs with soaring interior volumes, clerestory windows that flood living spaces with natural light, and material palettes that would look at home in any luxury design magazine. The engineering required to pull this off is demanding, but the result is a home that performs at a level traditional construction simply cannot match. But here is the fundamental trade-off you need to understand before you get sold on the vision. The upfront cost of excavation is significant, and it is not optional. You cannot build an earth-sheltered home without moving a substantial amount of earth, reinforcing the structure to bear that earth load, and waterproofing the entire buried envelope to a standard that protects you for decades. Those three costs, excavation, structural reinforcement, and waterproofing, are what make earth-sheltered builds feel expensive on paper. The question is whether the long-term elimination of heating and cooling bills, reduced maintenance costs, and superior structural durability justify that upfront investment. And that is exactly what we are about to find out. But first, we need to talk about the number that most people never see coming. 2026 excavation costs. The real price of going underground. The first cost you are going to face with any earth-sheltered build is excavation, and in 2026 the numbers have shifted considerably compared to what you may have seen quoted in older resources. Machine rental rates, fuel costs, and operator labor have all increased, and the scope of excavation required for a full earth-sheltered cabin is not trivial. For a modest earth-sheltered cabin in the 800 to 1200 square foot range, you are typically looking at excavating a volume of earth between 3,000 and 6,000 cubic yards, depending on your design, your site topography, and how deeply you are embedding the structure. In 2026, professional excavation contractors in most U.S. markets are quoting between $35 and $65 per cubic yard for full-service excavation, which includes machine operation, operator labor, and basic site preparation. That puts your excavation cost alone anywhere from $105,000 on the low end for a favorable site to over $390,000 for a complex deep-set build on difficult terrain. Those numbers sound alarming at first, and they should command your attention. But context matters enormously here. If you own land with a natural hillside or slope, your excavation costs can drop dramatically because you are cutting into existing topography rather than digging a flat site pit. A hillside cut-and-cover design on a favorable slope can bring excavation costs down to the $45,000 to $90,000 range for a small to mid-size cabin. That is where the sweet spot is for most budget-conscious earth-sheltered builds in 2026. Site selection is not just an aesthetic decision, it is a financial one that can make or break your entire budget. You also need to account for what happens to the earth you remove. Hauling away excavated material adds to your cost, but many builders are finding creative ways to use that material on-site, berming it against exterior walls as part of the earth-sheltering design, using it for landscaping, or staging it for roof coverage. Working with your excavation contractor and architect to plan your cut-and-fill strategy before breaking ground can save you a meaningful amount. Now that we know what it costs to go underground, we need to talk about the one system that can make or break the entire investment. And if you get this wrong, the whole build is compromised. Waterproofing, the make-or-break system. If excavation is the most visually dramatic cost in an earth-sheltered build, waterproofing is the most consequential. A failed waterproofing system does not just mean a damp basement. In an earth-sheltered structure, moisture infiltration can compromise your insulation, degrade your structural reinforcement, promote mold growth inside your living space, and ultimately threaten the structural integrity of the entire build. Getting this right in 2026 means understanding what the current generation of waterproofing products can actually do and what they cost. The gold standard for earth-sheltered waterproofing in 2026 is a high-performance bentonite clay panel system combined with a dimple mat drainage layer. Bentonite is a naturally occurring clay mineral that swells when it contacts water, creating a self-healing seal against the exterior of your structure. The dimple mat sits outside the bentonite layer and provides a drainage path for any water that does reach the wall assembly, directing it safely down and away from the foundation. This two-layer system is not cheap, but it is the approach that structural engineers and experienced earth-sheltered builders consistently recommend for long-term performance. In 2026, a complete bentonite and dimple mat waterproofing system installed by a qualified contractor will run you approximately $8 to $14 per square foot of buried wall and roof surface. For an 1,100 square foot cabin with a substantial earth-covered roof and 3 buried walls, your total waterproofed surface area might reach 2,500 to 3,500 square feet, putting your waterproofing cost between $20,000 and $49,000. That is a real line item, and it deserves serious attention in your budget planning. Some builders attempt to reduce this cost by using spray-applied liquid membranes or modified bitumen sheet systems. These products have a legitimate place in conventional below-grade waterproofing, but for fully earth-sheltered structures with significant soil loads and potential hydrostatic pressure, they carry more long-term risk than the bentonite approach. The savings are not worth the exposure. Budget for the right system from the start. Now here is the part most people do not fully appreciate until they see the numbers. The waterproofing investment you just made is what unlocks the single biggest financial advantage of the entire earth-sheltered concept: thermal mass and the elimination of HVAC overhead. This is the section that makes earth-sheltered living genuinely compelling from a financial standpoint. When your home is surrounded on 3 sides and overhead by several feet of earth, the thermal behavior of that structure is fundamentally different from anything built above ground. And in 2026, with energy costs where they are, that difference translates directly into dollars. The Earth at a depth of 6 to 8 feet maintains a remarkably stable temperature year-round. In most of the continental United States, that stable Earth temperature sits between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit, regardless of whether it is 95 degrees outside in August or 10 degrees in January. The massive thermal mass of the surrounding soil acts as a giant temperature moderating system, keeping your interior from overheating in summer and from losing heat rapidly in winter. In a well-designed, earth-sheltered cabin with proper passive solar orientation, that thermal mass works in combination with south-facing glass to provide natural heating during winter months and natural cooling in summer without any mechanical assistance. Independent energy audits of earth-sheltered homes conducted in the 2024 and 2025 heating seasons have consistently shown heating and cooling cost reductions of 60 to 85% compared to code minimum stick frame construction of equivalent square footage. At current energy prices, that represents a real annual savings of between $1,800 and $4,500 for a typical cabin-scale dwelling, depending on your climate zone. On a 25-year ownership horizon, that energy savings compounds to between $45,000 and $112,500 in avoided utility costs. That is a significant offset against your excavation and waterproofing premiums. And that calculation does not yet account for the reduced mechanical system costs. Because your heating and cooling load is so dramatically reduced in an earth-sheltered structure, you can often eliminate central forced air systems entirely and replace them with a small ductless mini-split unit and a simple wood stove or radiant floor heating system. That mechanical simplification saves you an additional $15,000 to $30,000 compared to a conventional HVAC installation in a stick-frame home of similar size. But there is one structural challenge we have not yet addressed, and it is the one that catches first-time earth-sheltered builders by surprise. It involves the roof, and the numbers are not small. Structural reinforcement, engineering for earth load. One of the most important and often underestimated costs in earth-sheltered construction is structural reinforcement. When you place several feet of saturated soil on top of a roof, you are introducing a load that bears no resemblance to anything a conventional residential roof is designed to handle. A green roof, or earth-covered roof, in an earth-sheltered cabin must support not just the dead load of the soil itself, but the live load of saturated soil after heavy rain, the weight of plantings and their root systems, and the long-term deflection forces that accumulate over decades. In 2026, the structural standard for earth-sheltered roof design in most jurisdictions requires engineered concrete or steel systems capable of handling loads between 150 and 300 pounds per square foot, depending on soil depth and drainage design. For a conventionally framed comparison, a residential roof is typically designed for a combined load of 40 to 50 pounds per square foot. That is a difference of 3 to 6 times the structural demand, and it shows up directly in your material and engineering costs. Cast-in-place reinforced concrete is the most common structural system for earth-sheltered roofs in 2026, and for a cabin in the 1,000 to 1,200 square foot range, the concrete roof structure alone will typically cost between $35,000 and $75,000, depending on wall thickness, rebar density, and your local concrete pricing. Precast concrete panel systems offer a faster installation path and can come in slightly cheaper in some markets, but they require precise site access for crane delivery and careful joint waterproofing that adds back to the total cost. The walls of an earth-sheltered cabin face a different but equally significant structural demand. Buried walls must resist lateral earth pressure, the horizontal force that soil exerts against a vertical surface. Depending on your soil type, drainage conditions, and wall height, lateral earth pressure can require wall systems substantially stronger than standard residential construction. Insulated concrete form walls, or ICF construction, have become the dominant choice for earth-sheltered walls in 2026 because they combine structural reinforcement, thermal insulation, and formwork efficiency into a single system. ICF wall construction for an earth-sheltered cabin will typically run $25 to $45 per square foot of wall area installed. Now that we have walked through every major cost category, let us put it all together so you can see the complete 2026 picture before you make any decisions. Putting it all together, the 2026 earth-sheltered cabin budget here is an honest total cost picture for a 1,000 to 1,200 square foot earth-sheltered cabin built in 2026 on a moderately favorable site with hillside topography. Excavation on a hillside site will run you approximately $55,000 to $90,000. Structural concrete roof and ICF walls will add $80,000 to $140,000. Waterproofing with a bentonite and dimple mat system will add $25,000 to $45,000. Passive solar glazing and window systems with thermally broken frames will cost $18,000 to $35,000. Interior finishing, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing at a modest but quality standard will add another $60,000 to $100,000. Site preparation, drainage engineering, permits, and engineering fees will typically run $20,000 to $40,000. That puts your total all-in range for a modest but well-built earth-sheltered cabin at approximately $258,000 to $450,000 before land acquisition. That is higher than a budget stick frame build of equivalent size, but it is competitive with mid-range conventional construction in most markets, once you factor in the land you need for both. And critically, the earth-sheltered cabin comes with dramatically lower operating costs, virtually zero exterior maintenance, superior structural durability, and a thermal performance profile that a stick frame home simply cannot replicate. The financial case strengthens considerably if you are building in a high-energy cost region, if you are a skilled owner-builder who can take on portions of the finishing work yourself, or if you are planning to hold the property for 20 or more years. For those profiles, the earth-sheltered cabin offers a genuinely compelling financial and lifestyle proposition that 2026 conditions have made more relevant than ever. So here is the honest bottom line. Subterranean earth-sheltered cabins are not cheap to build up front, and anyone who tells you otherwise is not giving you the full picture. The excavation costs are real. The structural demands are real. The waterproofing investment is non-negotiable, but the long-term performance advantages are equally real. And in 2026, with energy costs climbing and conventional construction getting more expensive every year, the math has shifted meaningfully in favor of going underground. If you are serious about exploring this build type, the next step is finding an architect with documented earth-sheltered experience, getting a geotechnical report for your specific site, and building your budget from actual contractor quotes in your region rather than national averages. The site you choose will determine more about your total cost than almost any other single decision you make. If you found this breakdown useful, please like this video and share it with someone who is exploring alternative housing options. Drop your questions in the comments below because I read every single one and we may cover your specific question in a future video. Subscribe if you have not already, and we will see you in the next one.